We all know that finding a good pair of budget earbuds can be a hit or miss, but today, I've got something really cool for you. A pair of earbuds that deliver great sound and charge you wirelessly. Yep, you heard that right. Wireless charging at a super affordable price. These are the TOZO T6 earbuds, and they might be the best bang for your buck earbuds out there at $30. Alright, let's talk about the first thing you'll notice when you unbox the TOZO T6, the design and build quality. Now, these earbuds might be budget friendly, but they don't look or feel cheap at all. In fact, the sleek matte finish on the case and earbuds gives them a premium vibe. The charging case is compact and lightweight, making it super easy to carry around in your pocket. And here's a neat little touch. The case has 4 LED lights on the front to show you the battery level. The earbuds themselves come in 6 cool colors, so you can pick the one that matches your style. They're super light, and thanks to the 6 different sizes of silicone ear tips included, you'll find the perfect fit for your ears. Trust me, they're comfortable enough for long listening sessions without any ear fatigue. One thing to note though, is that the earbuds do stick out a bit from your ears. This might be a minor downside if you're looking for something more discreet. However, the secure fit and comfort more than make up for this. Another thing I love is the glossy finish on the touch controls. They not only look sleek, but are also really responsive. You can control everything from playing music to answering calls with just a few taps. Another cool feature is the IPX8 waterproof rating. These earbuds can handle sweat, rain, and even a quick dip in water. Perfect for workouts, runs in the rain, or just lounging by the pool without any worries. Now that we've covered the design and build quality, let's dive into the features that make the TOZO T6 stand out. These little earbuds are packed with some impressive tech that you usually only find in more expensive models. First up, let's talk about Bluetooth 5.3, which ensures a stable and fast connection. Pairing them with your phone is a breeze, and once connected. Plus, they support both AAC and SBC codecs. Now, let's not forget the TOZO app. This app is a fantastic addition, providing a range of customization options that enhance your listening experience. Through the app, you can adjust the EQ settings to match your preferred sound profile. There are preset modes like bass boost, classical, and hip-hop, or you can create your own custom EQ settings. This level of control is rare in earbuds at this price point. The app also allows you to customize the touch controls on each earbud. Plus, you can check for firmware updates to ensure your earbuds are always running the latest features and improvements. Speaking of sound, let's move on to the most important part, the audio quality. This is where the TOZO T6 really shines. These earbuds have 6mm dynamic drivers that deliver surprisingly powerful sound for their size. Let's break it down into the 3 main frequencies: treble, mids, and bass. Starting with the treble, the high frequencies are clear and detailed. Instruments like cymbals and high-pitched vocals come through without sounding harsh or tinny. It's impressive how well these earbuds handle the treble, especially considering their price. Moving on to the mids, where the vocals live. This is often the trickiest part for budget earbuds, but the TOZO T6 does a pretty good job. Vocals are natural and don't have that overly sharp or processed sound. They could use a bit more presence to really stand out, but overall, they're pleasant to listen to. Now, for all the bass heads out there, you'll love the TOZO T6. The bass is punchy and deep, giving your music that satisfying thump. It can sometimes be overpowering, especially with bass-heavy tracks, but it never gets muddy. The bass response is impressive for such small drivers. To put the TOZO T6 to the test, I ran them through a series of music and call quality tests. For music, I tried a variety of genres: rock, pop, hip-hop, and classical. The earbuds handled everything well, delivering a rich and immersive sound. The bass was especially impressive, providing a deep, satisfying thump without drowning out the mids and highs. For calls, the TOZO T6 features environmental noise cancellation, ENC, which helps reduce background noise during phone calls. The call quality was clear on both ends, making it easy to hear and be heard even in noisy environments. I tested the TOZO T6 with a few mobile games for the gamers out there. The earbuds performed admirably, with minimal latency and clear audio. The stereo sound helped pinpoint the direction of in-game sounds, like footsteps and gunfire, which is crucial for competitive gaming. Let's get into battery life and charging, because after sound quality, this is probably the most important aspect for many of us. The TOZO T6 impresses here as well. Each earbud packs a 40mAh battery, and the charging case adds another 400mAh. On a full charge, the earbuds can last up to 6 hours at 100% volume and around 10 to 12 hours at 50% volume. When you combine this with the charging case, you're looking at a total of up to 50 hours of playback time. This is fantastic. Charging the earbuds is super convenient too. You can use the included USB-C cable for fast charging, which takes about 2 hours to charge the case and earbuds fully. But the real star here is the wireless charging capability. Just place the case on any key wireless charger and you're set. This feature is usually reserved for higher-end models, so having it in a budget-friendly option like the TOZO T6 is a big plus. And let's not forget about the LED indicators on the case, which show you the charging status and battery level at a glance. This way, you're never left guessing how much battery you have left. In conclusion, conclusion, the TOZO T6 TWS earbuds are a fantastic option for anyone looking for feature-packed earbuds at an affordable price. They offer incredible value for money with wireless charging, a waterproof design, and customizable settings. While they might not have every high-end feature, their performance and price point more than make up for it. You can find the TOZO T6 on Amazon, AliExpress, and other major retailers, typically priced around $20 or $30 depending on sales and discounts. For the features and quality you're getting, they're an absolute steal. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.